Hello and Happy New Year! Today for you I have a 2017 Lasko 2506 oscillating 16-inch table fan. So this I picked up while I was on my trip to Florida. This is actually at a dance fan city of all places, and it was sitting on a shelf and I was like, wow, what is this? So I picked it up and this was a great find. They don't make these anymore. They make a cheaper version of this. And this still has the 0.9 amp motor, 16-inch blades. It's fairly quiet. It is a little bit unbalanced, but that's expected with these newer Laskos. Unfortunately, the quality control is not that great, but this is on the tail end before they started really going downhill, because this design is from the early 2000s. As you can see, it does have the newer Lasko logo, so this is a newer one. It's from 2017. It's got the little rotary dial type speed control with the older Lasko font. The performance grill from the 16-inch pedestal fans, and they also had this on the first generation Lasko 1820s and the first generation performance pedestal fans as well. There was also a 12-inch version of this too that was made. But I decided to get the 16-inch because 16-inch fans are not really common anymore. So here's the back. As you can see, it has the older motor cover style. And then the push pin for the oscillation control. And then here's the bottom. And it still has all of the rubber feet intact. So first we will start it on high. Moves really good air, and it's really not all that loud. We'll bump it down to medium. Still moving good air. And the difference between the speeds is actually there with this model. The newer models, there's not much difference. But still pushing great air. And finally low speed. Nice quiet low. And still pushing great air. I'll demonstrate the oscillation as well. And we'll bump it up to the medium with oscillation. And then high. This would be great for cooling a room if you had limited floor space. The head also tilts pretty far back. down as well. And even for sitting in a box since 2017, this has pretty good bearings. And also, let me show you the original box because I still have that. So here is the box. They still have the older style fan and the older style logo. And the box says copyright 2010 Lasko. They have the graphics from the Lasko website as well. And then here's the manual dated 2017. So there you have it. There is my 2017 Lasko 16-inch performance table fan. Thank you for watching. I am so sorry for the lack of updates. We're going to correct that this year for 2024. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a comment, ask away. I will answer them as best as I can. I will see you guys in the next one.